Hello. For my friends who are struggling a little bit with combining like terms, I'm going to work through this practice with you, and it has a little puzzle at the end, little joke, just to keep you going. Did you hear the one about the acupuncture? So let's see if we can find out the answer to that puzzle, to that riddle, and see what the punchline is. So in this first one, I've got 2m plus 3m squared minus 4m. In order for them to be like terms, they have to have the exact same variable. And we notice that this one is to the power of 2. So I cannot combine this one with these other two. Now with these two, I'm going to put boxes around them, and you'll notice I'm going to put a box and I'm going to include the symbol in front of it, the operation in front of it. Because this is 2m minus 4m, which gives me a negative 2m. The other thing to keep in mind is this one has a higher power, so it needs to go out front. So it should be 3m squared minus 2m. My second one, I can combine these terms, and remember there's a 1 in front of that x that we just don't write. So this is going to give me 3x minus 4y. I can't combine these because this is an x and this is a y, and we also have them in order alphabetically. My next one, I have 2m plus 4m minus 3m squared. I've got to put this one up front, even though it's negative, because it has a higher exponent, a higher power. So continuing along, in order to put those in order alphabetically, 7x plus 11y there. That n squared term. And then I should be able to find my answers down here. So for this first one, for number 1, I'm going to put an I. For number 2, I got 3x minus 4y, and there it is right there, so that's a t. And then I've got negative 3m plus 6, then negative 3m squared, plus 6m, and that's a w. For 4, I have 7x plus 11y, so that's going to be an a. And for number 5, I got negative 4n squared plus 16n, and that's an s. So what I'm going to do is I want you to pause the video and then turn it back on and check your answers. I want you to try some of these yourself. All right, so go ahead and pause it here. Check your answers, and we found out that, did you hear the one about the acupuncture? It was a jab well done. Hopefully you guys did a good job on that. If you have any that you have a question on, you disagree with, just let me know. We can talk about them. You can send me an email. Have a great day.